Welcome to Frankfurt, welcome to the finished celebration of the Mazda Route 3 Hiroshima to Frankfurt Challenger Tour 2013 with 8 brand new Mazda 3s. They finished here last Saturday and here they are, all the journalists, the bloggers, the Mazda fans who drove the cars. And they're really happy to be here after those 15,000 kilometers. This is time to celebrate. I'm also part of it because I was one of the participants. I'm here in smart casual, but tomorrow it's really business at the Frankfurt Motor Show. But first, party! So here we are at the Frankfurt Motor Show, outside the building. Today is business shoot, first press day, and here are 3 of the 8 participating cars at the Mazda Route 3. The very first 8 mass production cars traveled all the way 15,000 kilometers through 7 legs. They are over here. The very first 8 production cars were shipped to Vladivostok and went from Vladivostok to Ulan-Ude, Krasnoyarsk, Barnaul, Tyumen, Moscow, to Frankfurt, 15,000 kilometers on very different roads. You can see the roads here below this white Mazda 3, the different roads we traveled on. And inside we have one car on which you can see how challenging this tour was. So this is the car on which you can see how really tough this journey was. 15,000 kilometers on dusty roads in Russia, Belarus, Poland and Germany. So here it is, the world premiere of the new Mazda 3, the hatchback and the sedan. The third car with SKYACTIV technology and which fully embodies the KODO design, interior as well as exterior, and in the appealing soul red color. The KODO design is not only on the exterior but also on the interior. That means it has a sporty interior with high quality materials, made with craftsmanship, an easy to use human-machine interface, HMI, and first in its segment an active driving display, a head-up display. In the new Mazda 3 we also have a new connectivity concept in which you can connect your mobile phone to the new system. This means you can read Facebook, Twitter and all the other things you do normally with your phone. And if you want to try it yourself, come over here, sit in this open car and do it. And then you can also see our brand new Mazda 3, the world premiere in Frankfurt. See you over there.